Break free from limitations. With JavaScript powering the ultra-thin FCV4905, you can freely develop and create your own exclusive face recognition access control all in one unit, offering a one-of-a-kind user experience while also significantly cutting down development costs. The ultra-thin body, crafted from aviation-grade aluminum, not only has enhanced heat dissipation capabilities, but also helps save installation space. Equipped with an 8-inch IPS screen, it presents a sharp and vivid display. Featuring an IP66 level waterproof rating, it can operate stably in humid conditions or when accidentally splashed with water. Boasting 8 GB of built-in storage space, which can be expanded to 16 GB or 32 GB, and a 1 GJ processor, it takes merely 0.2 seconds to recognize multiple faces. It can store 50,000 faces, 20,000 QR codes, and card-swiping whitelists. Moreover, its support for RFID and NFC makes access more convenient and diversified. Through the supporting access control management system, it can retain up to 100,000 access records, making the access security status crystal clear. In terms of hardware, we attach great importance to safety and quality. The built-in watchdog endows it with anti-freeze and self-detection functions. It can detect live bodies and prevent access for those using photos, masks, or videos. However, it can accurately recognize users even when they are wearing masks, hats, glasses, or have makeup on. This device has an extensive range of applications. It has been successfully integrated into various venues, serving over 10 million people daily. Its outstanding performance and stable operation have earned the trust of numerous users. The FCV4905 is your all-weather access control sentinel. Whether it's day or night, it can offer reliable access control services, safeguarding the security of your premises. There are even more possibilities waiting for you to discover.